Hello and welcome to another joyful tune-in. Today, we're going to do reminders. Reminders of how to stay centered in the midst of the chaos. Remember, as you look around in the world, on many, many levels, there is discord, dysfunction, and what appears to be systems, old systems beginning to collapse right before your eyes. But essentially, we are witnessing the disintegration of the old matrix. So the new matrix of the new earth can be born, literally born anew. So today we're just going to remind you of things to be aware of so that you can stay in your center. Division. Noticing what is causing division in the world and to rise above it. To be in your center, to be in your center point, to be in that place of your sacred space and empowerment. Chaos everywhere, confusion, anxiety, fear of many things, fear of the unknown, fear of what's going to happen 1 year from today. Fear of so many things, your job, your relationships, your family. Again, this is just a reminder to rise above all of that, to stay in your spiritual center point, to, shall we say, to be disengaged from your pain body and your emotional body and your intellect. And staying connected to your spirit. So whenever you begin to feel anxiety, stress, worry, know that you can rise above it by taking a deep breath, rising above it into that clear space of where your spirit dwells. Simply by taking a deep breath, or 2 or 3, and exhaling fully, exhaling out anything and everything that you may have taken on from the world. Remember, rise above all things that are creating discord and confusion in the world as you know it. So until next time, have a great day. Enjoy the beautiful weather. Stay tuned, stay connected, stay in your sacred space.